Hey guys, so you just bought your memory stick for your notebook and you have to actually install it in order to make the RAM upgrade. After carefully selecting the memory and buying it, you can see a video in the description about choosing a new memory module for your notebook or PC. You have to make sure that it has a physical slot free. On my notebook models product page from ASUS, it said it had. I've also manually checked just in case and saw it when I was adding an SSD to this PC. Now we have to actually install it. Let's get on to it. Flip it over, make sure it's powered off, and to be extra careful, just take out the battery. Done. And now I've already taken off the screws, but this model has two screws over here. Your notebook might have more or less or in another configuration. It's pretty much very similar. Now we just take the cover off and let's see what do we find. We can see it has the SSD here. It has a slot for another one here. And here we have the installed memory module and a free slot. All we have to do now is just install the memory we just bought, this one. So after carefully placing it at an angle, we need to make sure it pops into this metal thingies, like so. And now it's properly secured. Check that it's properly secured, and that's about it. In order to take out a memory module, you just need to take apart those two metal brackets. And that's about it. After doing this, we can now boot up. And the new memory module, in this case another 8 GB alongside the existing 8 GB, will be shown in Windows and we can enjoy it. That's about it, really. Make sure you have a 64-bit operating system. You probably already have that nowadays, but just in case I had to mention it. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tell me what other types of videos would you like to see in the future. Thanks so much. Bye.